Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to look at speech to text using Python. Okay, so for this I have already installed speech recognition library. By this command pip install speech recognition, you can also do it. And then what we are going to do, we are importing speech underscore recognition as SR, and then I am creating a variable audio underscore file that is containing the name of the file edge of great dot wav. It is important for this library, your file must be a dot wav extension. What I have done is I have recorded using mobile voice recorder uh, Edge of Great lyrics of this song, and I have all converted it from MP4 to .wav extension on online converters. Okay, I will play that Edge of Great WAV file for you. Okay, what it contains. Uh,
Running from the past, tripping on the now. What is lost can be found, it's obvious. And like a rubber ball, we come bouncing back. We all got a second act inside of us. I believe that we're just one dream away from who I'm meant to be. That we're standing on the edge of something big, something crazy. Our best days are yet.
okay, this is the voice, the speech that this speech recognition library must give you the lyrics of. Okay, so we are create first we have to initialize the speech recognizer. For that we are creating a variable r, and using speech recognition library we are calling the recognizer function that initializes the recognizer. Then with sr.audio file, this is the audio file variable, the edge of grade that we created over here as source. This is the source. Now uh, this is in this line of code, the recognizer will read the audio file. Okay, r dot record the source. Okay, this is the source. Okay, audio file. Okay, and this is assigned a variable audio. Then we are using the r, this is the initialized recognizer dot recognize underscore google, the audio. This audio which has been read, this it will try to um, convert it into text. Okay, and we will print this, the lyrics the audio file contains. Let us give a colon as well. Okay, so it will be more readable then. Okay, it will print the recognized text with this line, and we have given a try, because if suppose there is a problem in converting the audio into text, then there is some exception. If there is unknown value error, then this except means exception or error will be printed. Google speech recognition could not understand the audio. Or other another exception or error that can happen is sr dot request error, means the Google speech recognition's results, we could not fetch it, so it will print that in this line. Okay, if there is some these two errors, it will print these lines, otherwise it will print the recognized text. Okay, now we will run this code. It will take some time to run. Okay, we will just wait for the outcome to come. Yes, so the audio file contains the lyrics: running from the past, tripping on the now, what is lost can be found, that's obvious. Okay, so it has printed the recognize text over here. So hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Until then, happy coding using Python and just be better than you were yesterday. Okay, bye bye. Take care.